Hello students, we are doing chapter number 1 rational and irrational numbers exercise 1.3. In previous video we have done till question number 11 and today we are starting from question number 12. Insert two irrational number between 2 and 3. So first of all we will change 2 and 3 into a square root number. So 2 we can write as root of 4 and 3 we can write root of 9. Between 4 and 9. 5, 6, 7, 8. These numbers are not perfect square. So between root 4 and root 9, we have root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8. These four numbers are there between root 4 and root 9. So root 4 is actually 2 and this is 3. So between 2 and 3, these four numbers we have which are not perfect square number. We cannot simplify these number. So these four are irrational number. Here in question we have to write two irrational numbers. So any two you can write. So therefore two irrational numbers between 2 and 3 are root 5 and root 6. You can write root 6, 7 also, root 7, root 8 also. Next question number 13. Write two irrational numbers between 4 by 9 and 7 by 11. So first of all 4 by 9 and 7 by 11 we will change into decimal. Divide 4 by 9. First we have to put point and take 0. 9 4s are 36. Then subtract, we'll get 4, again one more 0, 9 4s are 36 and then again and again we are getting remainder as 4. So 4 by 9 we can write as 0.44 and this 4 is going up to infinity. Similarly 7 also we will divide with 11, put decimal, take 1 0, 11 6 66 and here we'll get 4 0, 11 3 33. Then again 7 we are getting, take 0, 11 6 66, then 4 and again 3. So this 6 3 is repeating again and again. So this we can write as 0.6363 and up to infinity. We can write this number like this also, 0.4 bar. Above 4 bar is there, it means 4 is repeating, and this we can write as 6.63 and above 63 bar. So between these two number, between 0.44 and 0.63363, we have to write any two irrational number. There are infinite irrational number between these two numbers, so we can write any two here. Therefore two irrational numbers between 4 by 9 and 7 by 11 are, we can write here, it is starting from 0.4, so we can start from 0.505, then 2 zeros, 5, then 3 zeros. This type of number we can take, and another number we can take 0.51, 5115, then 5115. Like this any pattern we can take here. Next question number 14. Find a rational number between root 2 and root 3. So first of all root 2 and root 3 we will change into decimal. For that you can use square root which you have learned in 8th standard. So root 2 if you change into decimal you will get 1.414 and it will go up to infinity. Similarly root 3 if you change into decimal then you will get 1.732 up to infinity. Then we have infinite rational number between these two numbers, any one we can write. Therefore a rational number between 2 and 3 between root 2 and root 3 you can write 1.5 or you can write 1.6, or you can write 1.55, like this up to terminating decimal. Next question number 15, find two rational number between 2 root 3 and root 15. So first of all, 2 root 3 we will change into decimal. In last question we have taken root 3 value 1.732, you can substitute here, and after multiplication you will get 3.464 up to infinity. Similarly, root 15 also you can change into decimal, you will get 3.872. So between 3.4 and 3.8, any two rational number you can take here. So for example, we can take 3.5, we can take 3.6, or we can take 3.7. Next question number 16, insert an irrational number between root 5 and root 7. So first of all, root 5 and root 7 we will change into the square number. We will do the squaring of these two numbers. After squaring, root 5 will become 5 and this number will become 7. Between 5 and 7 we have 6. So 5, 6 and 7. Between 5 and 7 we have 6. So root 6 is an irrational number which lies between root 5 and root 7. Therefore, an irrational number between root 5 and root 7 is root of 6. Next question number 17, insert two irrational numbers between root 3 and root 7. So first root 3 and root 7 we will change into the square form. We will do the squaring of these number. So root 3 squaring will get 3 and root 7 square will get 7. Now between 3 and 7 we have 4, 5, 6. 3 numbers are there between 3 and 7. So after 3 we have 4, 5, 6 and then we have 7. So root 3, root 4, root 5, root 6 and root 7. So from these number, this root 4 we can simplify, it will change to 2. So this is not an irrational number, only root 5 and root 6 which we cannot change into a rational number. So root 5 and root 6 are two irrational number between root 3 and root 7. So therefore, two irrational numbers between root 3 and root 7 are root 5 and root 6. So this exercise has completed. Hope you understood these questions. Thank you for watching this video.